Squat to Pike Elevated, Barbell Behind Feet. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker who's getting very close to unlocking your nose to shins pike, you might like to give this a try. This isn't a beginner's exercise. You're going to need a certain level of pike flexibility before you can tackle this one. Here's how it works. Start by standing on an elevated surface with your feet together and a barbell behind you. A Reebok step is a good option here, as it allows you to grip the barbell and place it on the edge of the step comfortably. A wider elevation, like a box, is going to require a wider grip on the bar so you don't crush your fingers. Squat down and grip the barbell with your palms facing forward and the hands just outside shoulder width. Then shuffle your feet to the edge of the elevation so you can lower the barbell down below your feet. The barbell behind your feet is going to pull your upper body down and back as you move from the squat to the pike. This will help you close the angle between your torso and thighs and eventually get your nose to shins pike. While sitting in the partial squat, notice how your torso is connected to your thighs. It's best to lengthen your spine here and think tall. During the squat to pike, you must aim to maintain the torso to thigh connection as much as possible. Gradually start to lift the hips and push the knees back as you move to the standing pike. Contract your quads and deep hip flexors to compress your torso into your thighs. Keep pushing the knees back until your legs are straight. At the same time, push the barbell away and try to reach your hands down towards the floor to move into a deeper pike. Once the legs are straight, pause here for the prescribed time. This could be anywhere from 5 to 60 seconds before bending the knees and returning to the squat position. The barbell behind feet squat to pike can be performed for repetitions, isometric holds, or a combination of the two. Performing 3 to 4 sets or 4 to 5 reps with a 10-second hold in each pike is a good starting place for most people. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.